Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Ever wondered how to make seafood tofu that is served usually at restaurants? How to make them silky smooth with the umami of fresh seafood? Today, we're going to be presenting a recipe on seafood tofu. It's much easier than what you guys think and you can actually make them in the comfort of your own home. Without further ado, let's get right into this recipe. For the ingredients, we first have 3 tubes of egg tofu. You can get them easily at any supermarket nearby. 150 grams of shrimp paste for the seafood component. You can also use fish paste to substitute it. 2 fresh eggs to hold the ingredients together. 3 stalks of spring onions. Half a carrot. Both of the veggies are more for color and can be replaced with other vegetables if you like it, or omitted if you don't like vegetables at all. Chop the veggies finely. Make sure it's as fine as possible as it will be mixed into the seafood tofu later on. Put the egg tofu into one mixing bowl. Mash up the egg tofu finely. It's best to use a fork initially, then use something large and flat like a rice scoop to do the mashing. Add the shrimp paste. Some of you guys may prefer to use fish paste, it also works. Add the 2 eggs. Mix everything evenly until the tofu becomes fine and evenly mashed up. Again, you can use a rice scoop to mash everything up really quickly. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to make it bouncier. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to make it more tasty. A dash of white pepper powder. You can add more if you prefer the seafood tofu to be spicier. Half a teaspoon of sesame oil for fragrance. Oops, I poured too much here and I'm going to return the remaining half into the bottle. Mix in all the seasonings evenly. Add the spring onions. Add the carrots. Mix the vegetables evenly. You don't want to have a sudden large clump of veggies inside the seafood tofu. Transfer everything into a steaming tray. Line the steaming tray with a cling wrap. This will make the removal process much easier later on. Use a rice scoop to flatten the tofu. This makes the steaming even so that everything will cook fast and evenly. And with that, let's get cooking! Place the tray into a wok and prepare to steam it. Make sure that the water is boiling hot before closing on the lid. Steam the seafood tofu for about 20 minutes. It will harden during the steaming process, which gives it its rigid shape. Remove the seafood tofu from the steaming tray. Cut up the seafood tofu into even pieces. Please ignore this cut, it's quite a fail. I should have gauged better before cutting. Coat the seafood tofu in cornstarch. Make sure that the layers are just a thin layer and not too thick, otherwise there will be white bits after frying. Fry the seafood tofu at medium-high heat for about 4 minutes. Remove them when they are roughly golden brown and you don't see any more white bits of cornstarch on them. And this dish is ready to be served. Seafood tofu is great when paired with dipping sauces like Japanese mayonnaise or Thai sweet chili sauce. This dish will definitely wow your guests and make you look like a pro. Try it today! And we have come to the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed this recipe, do hit the like button to support our channel. Subscribe to our channel if you guys are new here for weekly recipes. Follow us on Instagram to get latest updates on our activities. And I'll catch you in my next video.